Researchers at the University of Cincinnati have developed an innovative new way to integrate telehealth services into a drone. They have developed a semi-autonomous prototype that can be dispatched to people's homes. The drones can carry medicine or medical supplies and can integrate cameras and a display screen so patients can talk to healthcare professionals from their homes. Also, the drones can carry a waterproof box to deliver medical supplies or collect self-administered lab tests. If executed properly, these drones could potentially change telehealth. Amazon has received emergency clearance from the FDA for an at-home test called the Amazon COVID-19 Collection Kit. The nasal swab and PCR-based test is developed by Amazon subsidiary STS Lab Holdco and will allow users to test themselves with or without the supervision of a healthcare professional. This new product is in line with Amazon's commitment to expanding into healthcare and another form of its promised support to President Joe Biden to tackle COVID-19 challenges. Pfizer expects to bring in about $15 billion in 2021 revenue from COVID-19 vaccine sales. The company is expected to deliver at least 2 billion doses of the vaccine worldwide in 2021, with 200 million doses to the US by the end of May. The rise of COVID-19 variants and the ongoing pandemic should provide a lasting revenue stream for Pfizer. The World Health Organization has issued a warning to consumers to beware of fake COVID-19 vaccines that are being sold on the dark web. WHO Director General Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus has urged people not to buy vaccines outside government-run vaccination programs, as those vaccines may be substandard and could potentially cause serious harm. Recent findings show that virtual instruction may pose more risks to mental health and wellness of children and parents than in-person learning. Parents whose children received virtual instruction or a combination of virtual and in-person instruction were more likely to report increased risk on 11 of 17 indicators of child and parental well-being. Nearly 25% of parents whose children received virtual or combined instruction reported worsened mental health in their children, compared to 16% of parents whose children received in-person instruction. Read in the new issue of HealthManagement.org, the journal. Dr. Ton Hanselaar and Mathix van der Linde discuss issues and success factors related to the implementation of value-based healthcare. Dr. Raphael Grossman talks about the challenges of disruption in healthcare and the prospects of embracing inevitable progress. Professor Geraldine McGinty discusses the need to create a more diverse and equitable workforce in healthcare for a more inclusive future. And Hans-Erik Henriksen highlights the need to build on digitalization and innovation progress for long-term benefits. These and more exclusive stories in the latest issue, Novelty versus Legacy. Download now.